Hi friends!
Hey friends.
We are super excited. We finally got the Mimikyu tin.
About time.
As y'all know, it's the wife's favorite Pokemon. And this one is a holographic. She does not have a holographic part. Oh, you can see the swirl on the camera. Very cool. There's actually a swirl on it too there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we got Battle Styles tins because we are still searching for
Mimikyu full art.
Yeah. And just in case we pull the Mimikyu full art, I brought one of these things over here. We also have plenty of chances to pull other things. There's Vivid Voltage in here. There's Sun and Moon. There's Sword and Shield base set. We got Snorlax, hyper rare. We got Lapras, hyper rares, the rainbow rares. We can pull out of those. I have no idea what's in here. It just says 3 TCG booster packs. And I actually haven't seen one opened. I've tried to steer away from these videos until I open them. I like the surprise of what we're getting in the packs. We got more Vivid Voltage, and did you bring up those other 2 packs?
No, I didn't.
Alright, but we got all together 4 Vivid Voltages for the hyper rare Pikachu VMAX. Alright, let's get into it.
You want to open first?
The coin flip? Can we even do the coin flip? There's so much stuff. There's so many things.
Where's my Chansey?
Found it. Oh, you flipped mine. That doesn't count. I had a Tails. You got one. Alright, 2. That was fast. I know I had a Tails. I saw it. I'm not a cheater. The coin flip decided. You are first. Alright, we're going to open these up. Alright, so we got Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, and Rebel Clash. We are adding to our pulls that we could possibly pull. There is a Charizard VMAX in here. Which one of us will pull it? It might be in there.
It could be.
Alright, you start. You start with whatever pack you want, and I'll follow with whatever pack you pick.
Alright, well, I'm going to start with that.
Perfect.
Alright. Focus. Taxel. Oops. My bad. Got that wet. Lotode. Clefairy.
Every time I see Clefairy, it brings up that memory of going on that Pokemon Go walk with Tarl. Oh! I know we don't have that one. Awesome. Pull out the card sleeves on the first pack. First pack magic. Let's go. Man, that just tells me good things for this entire video. Wow.
Limpet? What is in the background there?
Really cool. Sableye?
Is that what that is?
I think there's a Sableye back there. Didn't quite focus, but
oh, my bad.
that's fine. Alright. Alright. So, you're starting off with a good start. Go with Rebel Clash, see what we can get here. Wow, that was out of a dollar store tin, guys. Mimikyu tin.
That was hard to open.
Yeah, I saw one person pulling them this way, and it's kind of a little easier when the cards don't want to cooperate. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 for Rebel Clash. Oh man, these have that weird. Oh man, like that got crimped right at the top.
Ooh.
It's a crimp card, guys. That's good in itself because that's reverse holographic. Beware. Speed Energy. Pelipper. Clefairy. Voltorb. Nose Pass. A Wingull. Phantom. Applin. Alright. And a Luxray holographic. Alright. Still a pull. But I did get a crimp card, so that's really cool. Which pack's next?
Vivid.
Vivid Voltage. Alright. I have been getting these cards weirdly with this. I don't know if I can show you guys. Yep, those there. These lines, and they're pretty bad. This came fresh out the pack. I'm getting a lot of those. You can see them. There it goes really good on the camera there. But that's alright.
Nippy. You want to keep these separate?
Oh, yeah. Here. Not the
Keep
big
them
ones.
a little more organized. Yeah, Disco. Electric. Panko. Mudbray.
Oh, amazing rare, right? Oh my gosh. 2 packs, 2 pulls for you. Very cool. That is awesome.
That is awesome.
That is a really
even
cool
have that?
card. I don't think we pulled this one yet, nor the Rayquaza. We've
That
been
is
pulling the other
cool.
ones a lot, though.
On top.
Really cool. I love those amazing rares.
That is awesome.
2 for 2 up there. Right here, people can see them. Mine's not so amazing, but I do have another pack. Vivid Voltage. Got an Energy, Dusclops, Electric, Charmeleon, Blitzel, Slugma, Beldum, Milcery, Wooper. The reverse is a Vaporeon. Alright. I love Vaporeon. And a holographic Wailord. So I've gotten 2 holographic pulls. That ain't bad. Very cool.
Not at all. Dip me of these. Shelmet. Squirtle. Diglett. Tauros. Pansage. Reverse Hippowdon.
Oh, 3 for 3 for your packs there. You got.
Not too bad.
That ain't bad.
Blaziken.
Very cool. Very cool.
Energy.
Anyone else gearing up for the new celebrations to release? Oh man, October 8th. Still trying to get them pre-orders in.
Yeah, almost impossible.
Yeah, so I got some tins coming in so far. That's it. But oh, this one was backwards.
Mine was 2.
Oh, I didn't realize. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we got. Whoa!
That's what you
Sorry,
got.
I gave it away. That's pretty cool. Very cool. A Crobat V.
That's really
All right,
cool
another green
looking.
code card, guys. Green code cards do not mean you don't get pulls anymore. Even in the older sets, I guess. These must be reprints. That is really cool. I know for a fact that I do not have this card. It is a very beautiful card. It's almost the V card of Amazing Rares. It looks like to me.
It's a very cool card.
Very cool. All right, we got so many more packs. We got a whole lunchbox tin to open up here. Oh, stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we opened them lunchboxes up real fast. See what was inside. Here we got Sun and Moon. We got Sword and Shield base, Vivid Voltage, and 2 battle styles. And you go first. And that was crazy getting that Crobat V out of a
That's insane.
green code card.
Okay, I think these code cards are... Oh, maybe it ain't. Okay. Thought that was upside down, too. Alright, we got a Fearow. Got a Letton. A Yungoos. Surskit. Wingull. Reverse Carvanha.
Cool.
And that Harry... Why does that look so weird?
I don't know.
It doesn't look
Why
normal.
does it say it's hairy anyways? I don't see any hair. Huh.
It just looks goofy. No idea. Energy. Cuckoo. Corsola.
Alright, Sun and Moon, see what I can get. Got Energy, Dragonair, Charlebug, Crushing Hammer, Dratini, Diglett, Bone Sweep, Skarmory, Cutie Fly, the Reverse Litten. I like that.
That's cool.
And a Abominable. Very cool. Very cool. Sword and Shield base set. These are the ones we're looking for. That Snorlax. We already got the Lapras. Oh, ultra rare. The rainbow rare. Although it would be cool to pull it again. I would like to see the Snorlax.
Get Wooloo. Sizzlypede. Ooh, Meowth.
Oh.
Pikachu. Erectus.
Oh, double Meowth.
Yes.
Oh. Very cool. Zamazenta V. All right.
That's awesome.
I will take it. Very cool. Sleeve for that. Awesome.
I love Meowth.
Meowth brings luck again. Look at that Zamazenta V. It helped us out. Very cool. All right. My Sword and Shield base. Can I get some Meowths in mine, please? Or maybe the double Meowth luck meant I also get some luck. Well, you will see. We got Fire Energy. Maybe this pack's on fire. Haunter. We got Pokemon Catcher. Be Sharp. Nickit. Vulpix. Pinch Your Chin. Hoot Hoot. Mudbray playing with his Pokeball. The Reverse Hollow Grookey. And a Sandaconda. Holographic. Alright. Very cool. Oops. Alright. Hopefully we can get some Vivid Voltage luck going on here. Oh, Meowth luck. Meowth luck. Hit alert. No.
I don't know. I get a lot of good stuff with Meowth. Katni, Barracuda, Nincada, Pikipek, First Ferrothorn, and a Jolteon.
And a Jolteon.
Guess you can't have it every time.
That luck's gonna go up to your Battle Styles packs. That's the one we need the really, really good pull out of.
Yes,
We gotta get very lucky for that one.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, Vivid Voltage. We're getting some Battle Styles, and we still have 2 more Vivid Voltage up there for who won this battle. Alright, right there. Let's see what we can get. Lightning. Drone Rotom. Swoobat. Loudred. Slugma. Beldum. Milcery. Wooper. Nincada. Telescopic Sight. And... oh! Dang, we are getting a lot of pulls today. Alright, Galarian Darmanitan V. Let's go. That is really cool. I can see those weird colors in the back. I don't know all of them, but the colors kind of clash. It looks really cool back there. I like that. More rainbowy.
That's awesome.
Alright, so we both pulled 2 like VMAXs or Vs.
Let's hope our luck hasn't ran out here.
I hope not, because that Mimikyu could be in there. If we're pulling like this, it could be in there.
Maybe it is in there. Doesn't want to come out. I want to bend it. If it is in there.
Yeah. Blip bug. Blip bug.
Alright. Poniard.
I forgot to put my card over here. These ones over in the vivid voltage stack.
This is Leapid. Lickitung. Reverse Pharaoh. And on the Rantis.
Oh.
G. Captain. Level Ball. Single Strike Energy.
Alright, let's see what's in this bag. Who's that Pokemon? It's a Mimikyu! Just using my telescopic sight. Got an energy. Spookba. Gliscor. The card's in every pack, I swear. Salandit. Bronzer. Cacnea. Spoink. The reverse Spearow. And a Primeape. That's alright. We still have 2 more packs to open. And honestly, we've pulled some really good stuff already so far.
Yes, we have. Alright. See that? Remoraid. Onyx. Mawile. Cherubi. Reverse Girder.
Ooh,
Not
holographic.
bad, I guess.
Holographic.
We'll take it.
So that was a white code. Very cool. I might not have that one in the binder, but I've opened quite a bit of it, so it might be in there. I just don't remember if I have that in the binder.
I think you did pull that.
Alright, the last Battle Styles pack. And I see something dark. It could just be the reverse holo, guys. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. I mean, or it could be the Mimikyu. The Mimikyu we've been searching for forever. Oh, was that a psychic thing that I was just saying? Camping gear. We got the Seadra. Rapid Strike. Shinx. We got a Bitbug. Poniard. Mankey. The Sizzlipede. The Scatterbug Reverse Holographic. And the Corviknight V. Alright, I will take it. That is very good pull.
Mimikyu.
That's okay. That just means we need to buy more packs, make more videos.
Yep.
These people can subscribe and make sure that they come and watch the next video. The one that we pull that Mimikyu finally. Vivid Voltage. I don't know. I kind of wanted to do a who won, but I think we both won. Like, look it.
Yeah, we did pretty damn good.
I think we're very close to each other here. I think we both are winners in the Pokemon world today.
You should just grab one.
Yep, because you got those 3, which is pretty much these 3, you know? And then, yeah, so, I mean, holographics and all that. Which one do you want? You get to pick first.
I want Chunky too.
I have a feeling that you will pull a Chunky Chew. There is a pink one, too. There's not only the Rainbow Rare. I have 2 of the pink ones. Tarlin has 1 of the pink ones. Did they change this?
I was just gonna say,
it
that
looks
looks more
like
gold.
and like it almost looks honestly like a fake pack, like what the fake packs look like. But it is not a fake pack.
That coloring is way
Came
different.
from Walmart. Yeah, they look different. They do look different.
Reprints again?
Yeah, maybe it's their new way of saying reprint. I don't know, but that does look different to me.
Yeah,
honestly.
I totally noticed it.
They're
We don't have another
like
pack up here,
washed
do we?
out. No, not. No.
I suppose you open them all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's like way brighter, more metallic-y.
It looks more metallic to me. Yeah.
This does too.
They came out of the
I don't know.
sleeves though. They were at Walmart. I trust that these are
Yeah, I
real
bought them
packs.
from Walmart, so.
Yeah. If they were from a like person that I didn't know, I would probably really be questioning it right now.
Walmart's getting that desperate. I
No. Well, I don't know, because remember when Shining Fates was out and they were selling Shining Fates through Walmart for over the retail price? MSRP?
They're still doing that.
That's crazy.
Alright, I got Wishmer, it's Rubbish, Dynamo, Clavapus, Reverse Regirock, and a Flareon.
Alright.
Heroes Metal, Stunfisk, and a Sable Eye.
This might be the pack that tells me that I win. Or tells us both that we might have to open more packs. Just saying. Alright, what do we got here? 2, 3, 4. Energy. We got a Pincher Chin, Telescopic Sight, Ferrothorn, Joltik, Weedle, Taillow, Sandile, Oshawott. Oh, they got stuck together. Oh, we pulled it again. Two different spots, we pulled it again. All right, that is very cool. Maybe we'll put this one in the giveaway. I don't know. This one's really cool. Let's see what's going on. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Oh yeah, and the shit freak. That one right there kind of threw me off there. I didn't even look at that last card.
When I pulled it too, I'm like, wait a minute.
Well, the bottom is textured. It looks different. There's a whole bunch of stuff that's different about one of these cards. I can sit here and point them all out, but they are very cool. All right, so we pulled crazy pulls out of all these packs.
Insane.
We got that, of course. Corviknight V. I got the Galarian Darmanitan V. And a card that just fell. And the Crobat V. The unexpected pull out of a green code card. That is crazy. I don't even know if I gave that one away.
We got Cupperjaw.
That was the first pack magic.
Yep.
Crazy. Man, when we pulled this one, I was not expecting that. Raikou. Was not expecting that. But we did get this. Finally got this. That is awesome. We got to be able to open the Mimikyu tin for her. And we did keep one sealed, of course, for her collection. It was very cool. And I really like those tins.
I do too.
Awesome. I'm glad you all watched this video. Please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.